Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
A very good day to all of you. So we are back again with lecture 18 on listening skills in this course on employment communication. We are doing module 3. So there is enough available on the importance of listening skills. It has been called the mother of all speaking. But anyway, at the beginning I wanted to show you a video to emphasize on the importance of this topic.
Four candles.
Four candles. Here you are. Four candles.
No, four candles.
Well, there you are, four candles.
No, four candles. Handles for forks. Got any plugs?
Plugs?
Yeah.
What kind of plugs?
A rubber one, bathroom.
What size?
13 amp.
Electric plugs, electric bathroom plugs, you call them. Tree, electric bathroom. Right.
Saw tips.
Saw tips. What do you want, ointment or something like that? What do you want?
No, saw tips, but covering the saws. Tips.
Oh, no, we haven't got any. Coming in, but we haven't got any.
Got any O's?
O's?
O's. No O's.
O's? I thought you meant O's. O's. You say O's, you think you say that. O's, he meant O's.
No O's.
O's? Well, oh, you mean pantyhose? Pantyhose?
No, O's. O's for the gate. Mon repose. O's. Letter O's.
Letter O's. How many do you want?
Two.
Two. Right. Next.
Got any peas?
God's sake, why didn't you bleeding tell me that when I'm up the stairs? I'm up the stairs already for that. They tell me bleeding there. I'm up and down the shop all the time. I've got all the shop up and down in the help today. Why don't you tell me when I'm planning things? I'm playing by the How many do you want?
No, tins of peas. 3 tins of peas.
You're having me on, aren't you? Having me on. There we are. Right.
Pumps.
Pumps?
Pumps.
Hand pumps, foot pumps, come on.
Foot pumps.
Foot pumps, foot pumps. See the foot pumps. Tidy up in here. I think so. There we are.
No, pumps for your feet. Brown pump, size 9.
You are having me on. You are definitely having me on.
No.
You are.
Washers?
What, windscreen washers, car washers, dishwashers, floor washers, back scrubbers, lavatory cleaners, floor washers.
Half-inch washers.
Oh, tap washers, tap washers.
Yeah.
Look, I've had about enough of this. Give us that dish. Make it all myself down here. What's this? What's that? Oh, that does it. That does have it. I've had just about enough of this. Mr. Jones, will you come out and service customer, please? I've just about had enough of this. Look what it's got on there. Look what it's got on there.
Right. How many would you like? 1 or 2?
So we have 2 activities in this lecture lab class on listening skills, and the first activity is the old traditional game of Chinese whisper. The idea of this game is, as we know in the theory and the fundamentals of listening skills, that when a message is passed on from the first communicator to the communicatee, and then from that communicatee to the third person and the fourth person, the message as such tapers down. The message at times may be distorted, ideas may be added on, it might get narrowed down, but finally the end product is different. So we have for you one such activity in which we will invite 4 participants, and they are Pooja and Alolika and Paulami and Ritika. So they can come.
A scooter was coming at great speed from the south end of the factory and trying to move towards the northwest. Even as it was trying to enter the lane to the left, a truck coming from inside the lane blocked its way. The scooterist tried to overtake but was again stopped by a car coming from behind the truck. He came very near to dashing the car. The cab driver, thoroughly disgusted with the traffic, came out and cursed the scooterist. Upset with all this, the scooterist turned back with great difficulty and took the next lane. Thank you. I'll now tell Paulami what I just read out in my own words. So there is a scooterist who is trying to enter a lane going from the north to the south. The lane is on the left side, but as soon as he enters the lane, there is a truck in the lane. He tries to overtake the truck, but then there is a car behind the truck and the scooterist almost bangs into the car. So the car driver comes out and starts screaming at the scooterist, but disgusted with all this traffic, the scooterist still manages to get out of the lane and go.
You heard it?
as far as I heard, there was a scooterist who was moving in a lane from north to south. He was moving in the left side of the lane, and there was a truck that was passing through the lane, and behind the truck there was a car. The scooterist, in order to overtake the truck, tried to speed, and in order to speed, by speeding, he actually almost hit the car. So the car driver came out and started shouting, and there was quite a fight. But the scooterist managed to get out of the situation and move out of the lane safely. So now I'm going to tell Alolika what I retained. So there was a scooterist who was moving through a lane from north to south. He was moving in the left side of the lane, and there was a truck behind which was a car, both of which were speeding. So the scooterist, in order to overtake the truck, almost hit the car. And the car driver came out and started shouting, and there was quite a fight, but the scooterist did not pay heed to that, and managed to get out of the situation.
Okay, so now I will tell Pooja how much I retain. So there is a scooter, and there is a truck and a car. So all three of them are moving on left and right lane. Scooter almost hit the car. So car driver was shouting at that scooter person. Somehow scooter person escaped.
Okay, so I am going to tell the message that I finally retained. There was a scooter, a car and a truck. They were moving on a road. A driver, the person who was riding a scooter hit the car, and finally the driver who was driving car came and shouted on him. That's it.
So yeah, through this activity we saw that how on passing on the message, it got tapered down. Originally the message was big and it had a lot of content, and as soon as it was passed through 3 to 4 people, the final message, it hardly had 10% of the original message.
So we are back again with the last and final activity on listening skills. This is an activity in which we try to, in fact maybe I should not tell, but I'll just tell the outline of the activity. We have Tirthu Nandi with us, who is the Chief Airport Officer, and he is going to make certain announcement about flight departures and arrivals at Mumbai Airport. And we have the rest of the class, around 10 of them, and they are all passengers. They have got small slips which tell them about who they are and which flight either they are going to board or they are waiting for somebody. So they are going to listen to the announcements being made by Mr. Tirthu Nandi, and thereafter there will be a small test or a quiz for 2 minutes, and the activity is designed in such a way that we are going to test how well they have listened. It's possible that they will get all 5 out of 5, but the end product which comes out of this activity is something called selective listening, which has been explained in the video lecture.
May I have your attention please? Indian Airlines flight number IC 423 from New Delhi is expected to arrive at 13:50 hours as scheduled. Indian Airlines flight number IC 424 has been rescheduled to leave for Delhi at 14:20 hours. Indian Airlines flight number IC 586 from Calcutta to Mumbai via Patna has been cancelled. Jet Airways flight number 9W422 to Hyderabad and Bangalore is expected to leave on time at 13:15 hours. Passengers are requested to proceed to security check. Jet Airways flight number 9W521 from Cochin will arrive at 14:25 hours instead of 11:25 hours. As a result of the delay on this incoming flight, the Jet Airways flight number 9W534 to Goa will leave at 14:55 hours instead of 11:55 hours. The inconvenience caused the passengers is regretted. Sahara India Airlines flight number S2526 for Delhi will leave at 12:05 hours instead of 11:05 hours. Passengers holding confirmed tickets are requested to go to the airport restaurant for snacks and beverages. Sahara India Airlines flight number S2525 from Delhi is expected to arrive at 12:05 instead of 10:10 hours. Alliance Air flight number CD223 to Mangalore and Cochin has been cancelled for technical reasons. The passengers can cancel their tickets for a full refund at counter number 72. The inconvenience caused is regretted. Your attention please, here is a message for Miss Anjali Save, who has arrived from Nagpur by Indian Airlines flight number IC927. Please come to the Indian Airlines office at the airport immediately. I repeat, Miss Anjali Save, Indian Airlines flight number IC940 to Chennai is expected to leave as scheduled at 13:30 hours. Passengers are requested to check in and proceed to the security check. Jet Airways flight number 9W782 to Calcutta has been delayed indefinitely. Passengers holding their boarding pass are requested to proceed to the airport restaurant. Lunch will be served. Okay, so I have the list of questions with me right now. I will be telling you the answers. Please mark yourselves out of 5. Answer to question number 1 is 1425 hours. Question number 2, Delhi. Question 3, CD223. Question 4 is 1205. And question 5 is IC927 from Nagpur. So let's have a show of hands. How many scored 5? 4. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. So I think this demonstrates perfectly how it's easy for a person to actually pay attention to things that they are fixating on, that their aim is to know information about that. This forms the bias for selective listening, wherein people normally they try and filter out information from the background, and what is only relevant to them, that is what they concentrate on. Here ends our class on selective listening. Thank you.